Let's see how to share your Wix site link. If you want to share your Wix website with other, follow this simple step. First, open your Wix editor and make sure your site is published. Click on Site at the top menu, then select Get Feedback or View Site to open your website. Once your site is open, copy the URL from the browser address bar. Now, you can share this link via email, social media, or any platform you prepare. And that's it. Now you can easily share your Wix site with others. That's how to share your Wix site link. See you soon!